Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make artichoke tea using an easy method. Artichoke tea is a wonderful beverage known for its many health benefits. It's particularly praised for supporting liver function and aiding in healthy digestion. Plus, it's packed with powerful antioxidants that help protect your body. This straightforward approach ensures you can enjoy a warm, beneficial cup with minimal effort, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. To begin, you'll need just a few simple items. First, select one fresh artichoke, ideally about 4 to 5 inches in diameter. Next, measure out 2 cups of filtered water. This ensures the purest taste for your tea. You'll also want a small saucepan for boiling and a fine mesh strainer to separate the liquid from the solids. These basic tools are all you need to start brewing your healthful drink. Now, let's get to the brewing. Start by thoroughly washing your artichoke under cool running water, then remove any tough, discolored outer leaves. Next, carefully cut the artichoke into quarters or even smaller pieces. This increases the surface area for better flavor and nutrient extraction. Place these pieces into your saucepan with the 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil, simmering for 20 to 30 minutes. Once brewed, it's time to enjoy your homemade artichoke tea. Carefully strain the liquid into your favorite mug, making sure to discard the cooked artichoke pieces. You can savor this tea warm, which is often preferred, or let it cool down and chill it for a refreshing cold drink on a warmer day. For a slightly sweeter or tangier taste, consider adding a small amount of honey or a fresh squeeze of lemon juice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.